Ever wonder how super smart computers powered by AI learn to be like doctors? Unlike regular AI that just looks things up with something called RAG, Rare helps them learn to think like doctors while they learn. RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation, is a way for AI to get information from outside sources, like big databases or the internet, and use that information to help it generate more accurate and up-to-date answers. It's like giving the AI access to a giant library while it's trying to come up with a response. Rare, Retrieval Augmented Reasoning Modeling Enhancement, is a more advanced technique. It not only lets the AI get information like RAG, but it also focuses on teaching the AI how to think or reason using that information, especially for complex tasks like medical diagnosis. Rare tries to make the AI think more like an expert by learning from examples of how to use knowledge to solve problems.
Hi there. Had you ever been to the doctor when you didn't feel so good? Maybe you had a tummy ache or a cough. Doctors are really smart, and they help us feel better.
Sometimes, even the smartest doctors need to look things up to make sure they know exactly what's going on. They might look in big books with lots and lots of information about how our bodies work and what can make us sick. This information is like their special knowledge.
Now, imagine a super smart computer that can also be like a doctor. This computer can learn things just like you learn your ABCs and 123s. It tries to remember everything it learns, like all the different ways people can feel sick. There's a special kind of super smart computer called an LLM. It's learned a whole bunch of things by reading lots and lots of words. It knows a lot about doctors and being sick, but sometimes it can get a little mixed up or forget some things, kind of like when you try to remember everything you learned in school all at once.
Now, imagine we give this computer doctor a special helper. This helper uses something called Rare. Think of Rare like giving the computer doctor its own set of super big and always updated books, even bigger than the doctor's books. These books have all the newest information about being sick, like what happens when you have a cold or the flu, or even something that doesn't happen very often.
Then, the computer doctor uses that information to think really hard, like when you're trying to figure out a tricky problem. It puts all the pieces together to make a good guess about what might be making you sick. This guess is called a diagnosis. So Rare helps the super smart computer doctor be even smarter by giving it all the newest information it needs to figure out what's wrong and how to help you feel better, just like a real doctor.